Welcome back. I'm Easy E, and it seems like the only people that buys these cars from me are people that know me on the personal level, that know what I do to these cars, that follow me or even talk to me about these cars. Because I don't know why I only got 1,300 subscribers on my channel, and I'm doing the same thing that other people are doing to their cars. But I do it way better. I give it 100%. Maybe it's because I'm black, or maybe it's because I'm black and I'm married to a white woman. So the black people don't want to watch my channel, and the white people don't want to watch my channel. Who cares? But at the end of the day, these cars do get sold. Copart Honda Civic gonna be up, and Audi all done up, good. So if y'all would, leave a comment. Go check us out on Easy E's Rebuilds or not. Peace.